Good afternoon, everyone. It's the 18th of May, 2025. Afternoon weather report. The sun finally came out, but it is, if you look over there, there's fresh snow on Little White, and it looks like it's a squall happening across the valley there. So, crazy weather for this long weekend in May. It usually is. There is a car show happening in Peachland. We're getting the odd car coming back from there. But it's 14 degrees right now on the west coast of Okanagan Lake. Maybe we'll get up to 16 if this sun graces us with her presence. Anyways, take care, stay safe. Any other weather updates we'll update. And yeah, it's snowing over there. We do have a bird that is making a nest in the swing set there. Peace out.